channel. I do hope you're doing well. Right, I've actually never done cookies on the channel, and I don't know why. I feel like I will get very flustered. I feel like they might not come out good. I can't mess cookies up, right? I probably can. Let's not put it out there. Let's not put it out in the negative that we are going to... Oh, and these are called the vintage ones. Of course it's BBC Good Food, guys. Vintage Choc chip cookies. This is what they're looking like. And I want them to be perfect circles, and I don't think they are. I don't think they are going to be. Oh well. It just says use a teaspoon to make small scoops of the mixture, spacing them well apart. That's the thing that I think I get worried about, that they're all going to just like congeal on one. And it said that it should make about 30 cookies. I'm not going to fit 30 cookies on my tray. I might do 10, and then it says that you can store the dough. So, or freeze the biscuits. It says you can freeze the biscuits and then pop them in a gas mark 5 for 2 to 3 minutes to heat up, or keep uncooked dough in a sealed container for up to 2 weeks. Take out, dollop on the tray, and allow it to come to room temp for 5 minutes before baking. Okay, so we may have surplus dough here because I don't think I'm going to fit it all on my tray. But today has been a baking day. You would have seen earlier on in the week I'd done raspberry flapjacks. They are cooling up beside me, and Danny's en route home today, and he's like, have you done the cookies yet? And I'm like, the cookies will probably be done as you're coming through that door. So fresh cookies, you can't get any better, can you? So I will do a little overview. You'll see all the ingredients, and then let's have a step-by-step for doing a first on the channel, which was cookies. How have I gone this long on the channel and never done cookies? Aye, aye, aye.
Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to live.
Right, so first things first, we've got to weigh the ingredients. So it says I need to heat my oven to 190. Let's put that back up onto that. We've got to beat the butter, sugar until creamy. Okay, there's 2 lots of butter. Why is that? There's brown butter and then there's granulated. But okay, I'm not gonna, maybe should have made a note of the amounts. 80, 81, 50. Let's do this. So yes, what are your favourite types of cookies, guys? Because as I say, I've actually never done it. Is it bad though? I'm not really a cookie person. Like, a lot of people rave about, is it Millie's cookies? But they've just never been of interest to me, guys. Like, I don't know why. I'm not really... I don't know what I would have instead of cookies. Like, I'm partial to a brownie, but again, it's not on my... If I was on a dessert menu and saw it, brownie wouldn't be something I'd go for. I like my crumbles and cakes. Crumbles, cakes, tiramisu, pavlovas, like, yes, that is a bit of me. Now, I don't actually think I need to weigh this butter out, she says, because I had this earlier and I've pretty much used over half. So let's give it a go, shall we? You might be thinking, Shan, you're in a old awful angle, but I just wanted somewhere where you could see me. And then it says I've got to beat this. Now, I don't know where my electric whisk is, so I'm thinking I might actually have to beat it by hand. So, oh god, this could be where it all goes wrong. You know where she's sitting there saying, oh, cookies, they're hard. Yes, this could be why. Let's move all the appliances out of the way. I'm going to put you up somewhere a little less there, and let's see how this goes. Right, first things first, I've been really enjoying a bit of shandy, guys. I don't know why. I have really been enjoying one, so don't mind me. Having a little bit of shandy as we cook. means beat as in terms of like a cake mixture. Because obviously cookies are like more doughy. They're not supposed to, oh, guys, this is fine. I'm doing it. Look at all that extra arm power there. Shannon is doing it. It's not like it's a cake batter where I've got to like volumise it. It's literally just a case of mixing your sugar crystals in with your butter. Just like we done at college, which was many moons ago. I was actually thinking like how long it's been since I've been in school. And like I feel like I've officially hit, coming up to 29, I've officially hit like the decade out of education. That's scary. A decade out of education. But I've actually put myself back into education because I'm doing my course. So butter and sugar is creamed. Let's have a look. What's the next steps? We are literally, this is a step-by-step of this, guys, because I haven't done this before. Beat in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I've just got my little classic one from Home Bargains. I'm not measuring it. No, we're just going to pour. Pour a bit of that in, and we've got to crack in 1 egg, and then sieve 225 and half a teaspoon of card and a quarter. Okay. Let's give me a little knife. Look at the size of these eggs. I picked up some large ones from Tesco yesterday. Not as good as the old butcher's eggs, but we will be good. Oh, I've just hit a bit of the blooming shell in it. Right, you can go there. And, oh, there we go. Right, where can I put you? Rubbish bag down here. But, how, oh great, I've got the shell stuck in me now. How are you all guys? How has your week been? As I say, you're getting a few extra uploads from me at the moment because there was just so much. There was a few I wanted to catch up on from Easter. And then I also just have extras. So when you are watching this, you'll have seen a baking, a dinner, Mama G and baking. We've got a double upload tomorrow, if I remember correctly. One on Sunday and then double on Monday and Tuesday. As I say, I will keep you updated on the community post because, yeah, all of that, there's a lot of stuff coming, guys. So stay tuned indeed because you're not going to want to miss this. There is some good things coming, actually. Very fun and unusual. Let's beat in the egg first because I feel like we need this to be a little bit gooey to put in the flour. Oh, don't a raw egg just put you off the consistency that it turns into. It's not nice, is it? It's not nice indeed. So let's put the flour in. Sieve. Actually, let me bring you down on a time lapse because I actually think it's very therapeutic seeing flour be sieved. Or is that just me?
Spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high.
Hey, you've got me from a different angle now. Right, now we need to put in the bicarb, which they say half a teaspoon of bicarb. Now I feel that these are like imperative to the measurements. And then it says a quarter teaspoon of salt. And then it does say to have 200 grams of dark chocolate chips, but I'm going to mix it up. I've got 100 grams dark and 100 grams of milk because, hey, why not? You ready? Maybe don't drop the bag in there, Shan. God, I can't do nothing aesthetically pleasing, can I? No, Shan, that's the answer. Nothing. Let's pop them in. Right, let's get mixing. Right, so now it's literally just a case of bringing it all together. And, oh, that actually looks like a lot of chocolate chips in there, you know? Okay, I'm not complaining. But what else could you put in cookies? Nuts, seeds, different types of chocolate. You can maybe have white chocolate and dark. Oh, raspberry white chocolate. They're like the Subway ones, I think. Not going to lie, guys, this is quite an arm workout. And I'm struggling from gym yesterday because I had boxercise. And I got partnered with the trainer. So I couldn't even, like, Skype. I had to, like, full force whack. You know when I'm like... this wasn't what I signed up for today, but it was my first one back since Easter, and I'm like, However, I did have a lovely compliment off of one of the ladies. So there's a lady there, and she is so strong, and like her body is impeccable. And I was just standing ready to sign my name off, and she was like, "Can I just say you look amazing?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm filled with haggis and Scottish food at the minute." She was like, "No, the past few times you come, she was like, you're looking fabulous." I was like, "Oh, thank you so much." And you know what? Something like that, it really does. Because I wasn't expecting it. And it was like, from someone that I didn't really know, to be honest. So it's like, oh, okay. That really did make my day, guys. So, yeah, I mean, people can see it. I can't. I can, like, I'm looking at myself here in the viewfinder, and I'm like, muffin top right there. But, yeah, that was very, very... nice to hear, but I am aching, like, I can't lie. And I had to do the full 18 sets of boxing. I didn't even get any pad work. So when I tell you, like, this morning I woke up and I was like, "Oh, Mum, I can't move my arms." She was like, "Shan, stop being dramatic." I'm like, "God, you're one to talk, yeah." But, okay, if I say so myself, these actually don't look a bad cookie dough, guys. This is the part where I feel it could go wrong. How many are we going to try and get on? I don't know. Should we be like all proper? I ain't got too big spoons. Oh, yes, I have. So it says just to do a spoonful. Is it like, is there any particular way to do this, guys? Oh, God. It's going to be a right ball ache, ain't it? Is it just like a... Right, we're going to go trial and error, okay? Because I don't actually know how this is going to go. And I don't know how far they spread out. So, oh, God. Right, let's just put you on a time lapse and hopefully it'll look nice as I'm doing it. But I don't know. Apparently this is supposed to make 30. I'm going to say 20 a push. But we'll see. I'm only doing little spoonfuls at the moment. Because we've got to see how they spread. So, let's see how this goes.
Always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for...
Guys, we're going to go with it like this because I've actually got no idea. But, let's give it a go. This is the 1 scoop one. And then these are like the 1.5. So we'll see how these go. But in they are. Pray for me.
I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces, but I'm not backing down.
Right, it is actually the next day. And there's a lot going on. You can see steam behind me. Everything is going on. It's pedal to the metal. But it is time to taste the cookies, and I think Mum may have sneakily gone into them last night. So this isn't going to be her first taste test because someone couldn't wait.
It was very good.
For the cookie. Have I got the one?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, these be nice dunked in a cup of tea.
No, this would be nice with a nice bit of cream.
You're going to have to speak up a little bit, Mum, because we've got the steam in the back. So I won't be able to
this would be nice with a bit of cream.
Cream on a cookie.
Yeah.
And it said it would make 30. It's made 2, 4, 6, 7. How many did you eat?
2.
9.
No, I did 2 biggest.
I think it's made about 15.
Well, what is that with 6 then?
I've just cooked the last of the batter up.
They in the oven then?
No, I have to check them out, so I put it in the container.
Oh.
So 15. I mean, I don't know how... They do spread a lot. That was just a teaspoon's mixture. And obviously they expand. But you can't be having a tiny cookie. To make 30, they must be doing it with a teaspoon.
And they must be like, because they're 10 pence piece.
Like, I mean that. It's like a flying saucer.
You know, in this house, viewers, we like to taste our food.
Can't have a small cookie.
No.
For my first time making cookies, I don't think they're too bad.
No, they're good. Last night was even better because they were softer.
That was warm and soft, so that's why Mum was dipping into them.
Yes. Because Shannon went out, I went to get myself chicken, and on the way I thought, I can't have chicken. I have no card. When I come here, it's on the side.
I'm sure the chicken man would have done
I know, but you may cut them in there every day, Shane. So what I did, I had a nice bit of bread, but it was all with them seeds.
Protein bread.
And I had 2 eggs on it, but it was very nice.
The large ones.
2 eggs out there. And then I thought, I'm still hungry, so I come and had a couple of cookies. While Shannon was enjoying herself, don't worry about what was food here was mum.
It was a very spontaneous trip out, which actually wasn't too bad. I would actually probably take you there. I think you'd like it.
Oh, what, somewhere for geriatrics?
And then the sky is not looking favourable.
No, I'm just glad I got back from my friends in time because it's drizzling.
Oh, is it starting?
Yeah, yeah. And I've only got half a Coke today, you know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'll give them a good 9, I think, for a cookie.
Yeah, 9. Actually, viewers, Len says 10. A 10 from Len.
You give it a 10 when they were warm.
Yeah. No, still 10, they're all right.
I think Dan will have some later. And
no, he can't have done that all for me. That for me.
Guys, if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. We'll do the other one in a minute. We've got so much baking and cooking going on in this house at the minute. Let me know down below what you think of the cookies. It will be, of course, BBC Good Food. I'll leave the recipe down below.
And say what you think we could put in the cookies instead of little cookie. What's them little things?
Chopped chips. I said maybe nuts.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, my footloose is away.
Nuts. Yes, nuts.
Take care. Stay safe as always. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Bye.